market, and that's the park. They do Zumba, some of the music to uplift you up. I don't know. It's boring. But hey, if it's gonna get people to exercise, why not? This is the street market, the food area that people can buy. Unfortunately, they don't have hardly anything for me for vegetables. Everything has meat. Bad thing. But they do have good fruits. That I do have to say. I got coconut drink, coconut juice. So here we go. I took Jolina and my niece, two older kids, Angel and RJ. The boys somewhere in the back. And they got them some boba. And I guess that boba is very popular in here. There you go. Tricycle galore. Like galore. There's the market. So my burger, you name it. Oh my gosh, this place is busy. If you don't pay attention, they'll hit you. And the kids are out and about. Boy, we can learn a lot from these people. I tell you, it's never boring here. Families are out and about. They go to the barbershop. And you can buy cheap clothing in here. Look at that. So we're walking back to our place. And it is still hot. Oh, look at, they got a Bible study in there. Oh. Well, look at that. Wait a second, Jolina. Okay, talk to y'all later.